Here, we just finished with this fender. We have the chassis all straightened up. First I was going to change it, but once we start to push it back into position, we realized that it wasn't that bad after all. So we get all the measurements then correct. Chassis in, front bumper in, bumper support. So now we're just going to make some final adjustment before we start to put back some of the body panels. The motor before we actually fit it up back again. So I'm just going to put this last one here on. And important, everything here lined up. So far, you know, all the brackets just bolt on. All the parts here fitting back neatly. So now I'm going to put the bonnet on and make sure the locks can line them up properly. Looking good. Just a little bit more adjustment and we'll be on the way. See all this section of the chassis, we'll make it new again. Repair perfect. Same thing in this section of the chassis here. Nice. Important thing about this job, all these parts are brand new, supplied by Techniques Auto Center. From these latch to the bonnet, this panel, this one, the front bumper, all these panels new. And we have a lot more new panels and headlights and bump on, a lot more stuff will be fitting into the front.
I'm celebrating. shut